Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you what I got from SM Department Store. Guys, I just want you to meet my daughter. Daughter? My daughter. Say hi.
Hi.
So, this is Hub. My daughter. So, what we got from SM Department Store, it was actually on sale, and it's Nivea. This is a big canister, like this big. When I first saw this canister, I was like, I really want to buy it because it's so big and it really amazed me. So, let's see what's inside. I actually bought this for 262 pesos only. So, come on, let's open it.
I can help you.
You wanna help me?
Yes.
You can help me? No, that's... there. Smells good.
Me too.
Can you smell it? Smells good.
Yeah, I like it.
So, this is what we got inside. The Nivea Canister.
Wow. The Nivea
So this
Canister.
Let's open the plastic. This is actually wrapped in this plastic. Just slow down.
I know this. See? Ooh.
You can actually buy this for gifts. So you can find it in
Wow.
Watson's or SM Department Store. We have the Nivea Soothe and Protect. It's a caring lip balm. If you can see it. This is the Nivea Intensive Moisture Serum. So this one, 262 pesos po ito. Ito po yung binili natin na product sa Nivea. So, all the things that are inside of this canister are the ones that are for free. This one, if you're gonna check this caring lip balm, I think it's costing like 89 pesos. And there's a bar soap. Cream Smooth Care Soap. So, I checked the price of this one. 52 pesos po siya. And, we also have this cute, so tiny, Nivea Creme. So, I'm not sure if, I don't think there's, I'm not sure if how much is the price of this. But, the next bigger to this Nivea, this Nivea Creme is 82 pesos or 78 pesos, I think. So that's the price of it. And we have another free sachet here. It's the Sun Protect. This is actually Protect and Moisture SPF 50. So parang ito yung sunblock ng Nivea. So that's all what we got here. And then this. If you're gonna calculate po lahat ng products na nandito, totoo po talagang makakasave ka ng 75%. Kasi ito lang yung binayaran mo. This is really 262 pesos pag binili mo just this product. So the rest that we have here are for free. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Go na sa SM Department Stores or Watson and grab your Nivea Canister. Saan siya? Ito. I like this one. I can put anything here with this cover. Thank you so much guys for watching. I just want to share my what I bought from SM Department Store. So if you like this video, just don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.
Bye.
Bye.